So I'm in this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful park that is populated by hundreds of oak trees, and the trees give me everything because they're trees. But there's something unusual or wonky about the park for me, is that even though the trees just have this, they can't be anything else but themselves, which is healing and beautiful and protective and informative and chatty and dancing with the wind and shimmering with the sunlight and the butterflies. The most of the people who I meet in this park, their vibes are just off. I don't know what's up with that. I don't know what's going on with that. I don't know what that is about. And I guess the major center of the park is that it has areas for big dogs and small dogs, and then it has a pretty nice size, those little gym areas for kids to jump and climb and swing. But the children area, it's the kids tend to come with siblings, the majority of them, and they're not inclusive, they're not friendly. Some of them are rude. Like, I am not someone who thinks that I get to navigate my children's play and conversation and existence like helicoptering. I mean, I'm gonna be there. But in this particular park, there's another park that's worse than this one, unfortunately. That's the kids section. But yes, in this particular park, it's always off. It's always problematic. There's some cases where, not as many because it's so small, but the parents are like playing with the kids and interfering and interrupting in the play area of other children, and even asking, like, bullying other parents, bullying other kids. Yeah, I just kind of needed to get that off, because more often than not, I come here and I want the kids to be playing because I love the trees so, but I can't really relax and enjoy the trees and the park and the kids playing because the vibration in that little play center is just totally off. Yeah. This is the John Williams Park on 441 and Sheridan. It's off, man, but if you come here to meditate under any of these trees, and they have the trees organized in like little clumps of circular areas. There's even like fire pit area and copse of trees in a circle. It's gorgeous. The vibes are gorgeous. This is a beautiful monarch butterfly in front of me as I'm speaking. There are so many birds I've seen here. There is, oh my God, I've never seen a cardinal. That's a cardinal? Oh my God. That's a cardinal. I'm pausing this. I'm gonna take that picture.